How are kosher birds identified in the Torah? Imagine trying to tell which birds are kosher just by looking at them. The Torah gives us some clues, but it also relies heavily on tradition and careful observation. The Torah lists 24 bird species that are forbidden to eat, found in the books of Leviticus and Deuteronomy. If a bird is not on this list, it is considered kosher by default. Unlike land animals and fish, where clear signs like split hooves or fins and scales are given, the Torah does not specify positive signs for kosher birds. Instead, it simply states which birds are not kosher. Because many of the ancient names for these birds are hard to identify today, the oral tradition, called Mesorah, has been vital. Over generations, rabbinic authorities have passed down which birds are kosher based on tradition. Today, common kosher birds include chicken, turkey, duck, and certain peons and doves, all confirmed through this tradition. The Talmud in the tractate called Chulin adds more details. It describes for signs that can help identify kosher birds. First, a kosher bird is not a predator, meaning it does not hunt or tear its food with its claws. Second, it has an extra toe, which is a physical feature. Third, it has a crop, a pouch in the throat used for storing food. Fourth, it has a gizzard that can be peeled or separated from the inner lining. If a bird has all four signs, it is definitely kosher. If it has none, it is not kosher. But many kosher birds may have some signs, and some non-kosher birds might have similar features. So these signs are helpful but not absolute. The main guide remains the tradition passed down through generations. In practice, kosher birds are identified by a combination of these signs and the trusted tradition. Birds that catch or tear their food with their claws, like birds of prey, are not kosher. Instead, kosher birds eat by pecking or picking up food without using their claws to hold it. Today, because the biblical list of forbidden birds is not fully clear and the signs are not foolproof, the tradition is essential. Without a reliable tradition, a bird cannot be declared kosher, even if it seems to have the signs. To sum up, the Torah identifies kosher birds mainly by listing forbidden species. Rabbinic signs like non-predatory behavior, extra toes, a crop, and a peelable gizzard help confirm kosher status. This system keeps the laws of Kashrut consistent and trustworthy across generations.